Alright guys, I did a drive with me to Taco Bell in comfort mode video, and here is the sport mode video that I promised in that video. So without further ado, let's put it in sport mode. I'm nice and warmed up, and let's drive pretty spiritedly so you guys can see what it's like. This car is on E85. It is on the Stage 2 Plus tune. I do have a full exhaust and downpipes and several other things. You know, watch my other videos if you want to check out what exactly is done to it. But without further ado, here's sport mode, and let's go drive and just have some fun. All right, let's put it in dynamic mode. I don't like to always keep it in sport mode or just automatic, because every time you let off the throttle or the gas, it just does the snap, crackle, pop in the exhaust, and I don't like that to happen like every single time. So sometimes I will slide it over into manual mode so I can control when that happens. Here, a little wide open throttle from 40. Nice, here we go, first one at the stoplight. See how it downshifts and burbles every gear? I normally keep it in manual when I'm coming to a stop, so it doesn't do that in every single gear. Let's do a little, maybe over half throttle, but not wide open throttle. As you can see, those shifts were pretty aggressive. Like, it pushes you and has a real nice solid kick to the shift. I'll leave it in sport for this roundabout. See, if you brake faster, it downshifts a little harder. We are going to do a dead stop here eventually. I'll try to launch it as best as I can for you. But here, let's do a quick 20 roll. So stay tuned for the launch control. I'm just gonna punch it once it hits 20. let it cool down. I don't like to beat on currently at 210 right now, but once it gets under that, I'll feel comfortable. All right, here we're a little below that. Let's just do it right now. Tires were spinning. The traction control light was on for first and second. I do need some tires for sure. It is almost 90 degrees today, and my engine oil temperature didn't even get above 216 right there. So I think this intercooler definitely keeps everything cooler. The Wagner works pretty good. I definitely thought about trying the integrated engineering air-to-air kit, especially now that I'm here in Florida. Let's try one more launch. This time let's turn traction control completely off. You have to hold it to do that. Let you hear first for a second. We'll keep it in first. Here's first. That was only like half throttle just to get you to see the Sport, how it turns from green to yellow. All right, let's do it right here, see what we can do. Let it cool down a little bit. Here we go. Alright guys, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other kind of videos you'd like me to do. On to the next video.